What do you use to borrow books from a library?
Library card.
What is typically used to organize books in a library?
Bookshelf.
What should library staff do if a visitor appears to be violating library rules or policies?
Politely remind them of the rules and offer guidance on how to comply.
What makes a library a valuable resource in a community?
Its provision of free access to information and education resource.
Where will you go to borrow a book from the library?
To the library's checkout counter or self-checkout machine.
How do you check out a book from a library?
Bring the book to the librarian and present your library card.
What is the typical duration for borrowing a book from the library?
1 week.
What might happen if you return a library book late?
You will be fined a small amount of money for each day it is overdue.
Where might you find a librarian desk in a library?
Near the entrance.
What is an appropriate greeting when welcoming visitors in the library?
Welcome to the library. How may I assist you today?
What do you use to check out books from a library?
Checkout machine.
Which room in a library is typically designated to quiet study and reading?
Reading room.
Which of the following is not a common feature of a library?
Coffee shop.
What might you find in the reference section of a library?
Encyclopedia.
What is the primary purpose of a library?
To lend books and other materials for reading and research.
What role does a librarian typically play in a library?
Helping visitors to find information and resource.
Which of the following best describes a library?
A place for borrowing and return books.
What is the process for renewing a borrowed book?
Return the book and check it out again.
What is an appropriate response if a visitor asks for help finding a book?
Politely assist them in locating the book or directing them to someone who can help.
What do you use to search for books in a library collection?
Library catalog.